I was physically and emotionally abused. So I had to bear a lot of things till finally my friend and my co-workers tell me it's not right. So I started to fight with him, and till the one day he tried to kill me. I lost everything, my career, my house in China, my friends, my family, and my management. You know, I was the counselor. I had a, you know, I could get a much better everything, marriage. Maybe if I was in China, maybe I married a doctor. You know, if I have a new house and I don't have to deal with all kinds of troubles, and I can feel comfortable, let her invite friends, you know, sleep over, and it's more safe. So I think the new house means a lot for me, and I hope this is my new life. Well, till this point, I don't have anything to afraid anymore, as long as my child stays. I think the new house maybe can take the shadow away, because this is completely new house. It's different shape, and it's mine. It has no his shadow there. I want to have my own life. Its life belongs to myself. That new house means a lot. I just want to be myself.